Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay, so I got the Storm Chaser. It reminds me of a sweeter version of an AMF, which is why I got it, because of the blue Curaçao. Reminds me of an AMF, but it's not as intense, and I quite like it. Probably a few of these, and it would be dangerous.
This is Storm Chaser. I don't know what's in this other than blue Curaçao, but there's the lime, it's pretty, it's blue.
Vodka, rum, blue Curaçao, and sweet and sour.
Okay, vodka, rum, blue Curaçao, sweet and sour. On the surface, this sounds pretty amazing and dangerous, so. I like this more than I like my drink. It's blue and it's pretty and it tastes like danger. I love danger. Yeah.
As much as I love Disney, to this day I will never understand their addiction to drinks that look like mini golf water. You've heard me say it so many times. However, they've never let me down. If it looks like a Blue Long Island, and it tastes like Blue Long Island, it's probably Blue Long Island. The Princess is grounded for many more of these for the rest of the night. 3 out of 5 plus.
The Category 5, which reminds me of something you get in NOLA. It tastes like I just bit into a pineapple soaked in rum. That's not my jam. If you like pineapple though, you're gonna like that, but if you don't, no.
I love pineapple, so we're just gonna go right into this Category 5. I unironically and unabashedly, and I have no shame in my love for pineapple, so let's do this. It's heavy on the pineapple flavor. It's not bad, but it is no Pepper's Ghost at Abracadabra. I will tell you that.
Category 5. Now when you add 151, I am convinced this is the only type of hurricane that I will ever shrink from. But I got it anyway. Don't get me wrong, people. Mental illness is a serious thing. If there's ever a drink to give me PTSD, it would be that. 4 out of 5 plus.